Here's a Schindler 2400 MRL Traction lift at Westfield Carindale. Now, from what I know, this is the busiest lift ever. Green D8 fixtures. No idea what indicator this is. Anyone, please let me know in the comments. And I'll put that in the description. Now this button is also very common on a 5400 AP. And also 300Ps as well. It's very slow. I don't mean like speed, I mean like how busy it is. It's on level 3 at the moment. Looks like to be an M series indicator. It's on 3 at the moment. Takes a long time. It's on level 3, it's been stuck there for a while. Here it comes. Here it comes. It's on ground at the moment. Very busy. And this is the busiest lift here. Not surprised, because it's stopping at every level. Here it is. Yeah, it's going up. Going up. Cab view. LCD indicator as our security thread. It's maintained by Chime. We're at 4. It's an MRL continuous attachment. We'll go to level 1. Door close button does not work. There it goes. I'm going to stop the video on 1 because it's getting quite busy. Here it is. Here we are at 1. And that's it.